How to use NordVPN for Netflix. It's pretty simple and a quick process, so let's get started with the video. You need to start by heading over to your application NordVPN, enter your login credentials, and then log into your specific account. Once you have been logged in, scroll all the way down and you'll be able to see tons of different countries. Choose any of the specific country of which you want to connect the server. All you gotta do is click on it. Wait for a while for it to load. So in order for you to connect, you have to start the subscription. So tap on Start Subscription. And then you have to pay the specific amount. Once you have paid, it will be connected. Now simply move into the application Netflix. Once you're in the home page, tap on Sign In at the top right corner. Enter your login credentials and then tap on Sign In. The VPN will be automatically used in Netflix and then you'll be good to go. So that's a wrap for this video. If this video helped you, give it a like and check out our next tutorial. Thank you.